Guys, in this video I'm just going to show you just some different ideas on getting your kids excited about learning how to count. They can make up their own study flashcards, and the way they can do that is you can easily purchase some 3x5 cards. It doesn't matter, you can get the ones that are just plain on both sides, or they are ones that have lines. It doesn't matter. Of course, the side that has no lines, you can do this. Say, for instance, you're going to write the number. We'll just start off. Not going to start off with 1 because that's really easy. So I say, for instance, you start off with the number 3. And you write a neat 3 for them to go by. Okay, it's important, right, to stay in the lines. There's a reason why we do that. Learn the motor skills, hand-eye coordination. Everything, there's a reason why we do this later on. So what you can do is you can have your kid pick their favorite colored crayon. You can write these out, very neat, the numbers. Have them choose their favorite crayon, and then they can trace that number very neatly with their crayon, very neatly staying in the lines with their crayon, and teaching them how to go, teaching them how to stay one stroke in making the number. And then what you can do is you can have some stickers, buy a sticker book, small stickers preferably. And so in the sticker book, and most kids love stickers. So if the number is 3, I don't know if you can see that. If the number is 3 and they've written it in, or you can use marker, whatever you want to use for them to trace over it. So the number is 3, so you tell them you're going to have to put the amount of stickers, because they can make their own flashcards. Put the amount of stickers that you need to go on the back, and you teach them how to count. So they'll choose, right? So of course it's going to be 3 stickers. So you tell them 3 stickers have to go back there. And so when they're doing it, picking their stickers, they're going to go 1, 2, 3. And you can teach them to count. So there you go. That's the number 3. And how many stickers? 1, 2, 3. 3 stickers. That's just an idea that you can use. You can use what you have. If you want to go out and buy the cards, fine. And a lot of times the cards will have the numbers on them, on the back. But if it's something that you want to teach your kids, this could be their first study tool for numbers. And they can make their own flashcards. And just make sure that it's correct. Yes, you can be their first teacher if you choose to. This is just an idea. Okay. And another thing I wanted to share. You can go to Walmart, or, I guess there are certain craft stores you can go to, but you can buy a bag of these small pebbles for like 97 cents, a good sized bag of these small pebbles. Okay? And if, say, for instance, there's a number and you have your number cards, and say, for instance, the number is 4, and you shared with the child the number 4, and this particular card, you see it has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. It has the objects. So they can take some stones, and these are good for little kids, their little fingers. And number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And you can have them do that. 1 to whatever it is, 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. And you can have them do that. And like I say, these are so cheap, but you can use what you have. You can use plastic spoons. you can use what you have. I just think these are neat because they're so tiny, you know, and kids like things that they can pick up with their little fingers and their hands. And this is for your little ones. So that's just an idea. Okay. Bye for now.